Just a reminder about Blender Splat Maps, a quick intro for Splat Maps. Real quick, you can do it for video games, you would want it for an island, you would want it for a cave, you would want it for building a planet, you would need it for building tons of islands because of the vectors. So why am I bringing this up? A lot of people know about Splat Maps, but there's still a lot of noobs, a lot of new people I want to help. So Splat Map is simply these colors. Red, green, blue, black. You can use alpha too. More higher layered Splat Maps might be up to 16, but we just worried about 4 colors. I did it up to 5. So basically you see where the alpha is, that's where the leaves go. You see where the blue is, that's where the dirt goes. You see where the red is, that's where the sand goes. You see where the green is, that's where the grass goes. Very simple concept. Black is sand too. I decided to make black sand as well for underneath the water. Very simple concept. How do we do it? We take a texture, we paint it rainbows. Then we subtract everything but red, and then we take a color ramp. It's going to make red white, and we multiply that white by the texture that we want to use, by whatever texture we want to use. Then we do the same thing again. Take a color, subtract everything but green, make green white, multiply that white by the texture we're going to use, which is grass for me. All I did with the textures is I did vector map. I took the vector, put it into vector mapping, took the vector mapping and threw it into a UV map. You just type in UV, you'll find it. Very easy. Tap in mapping, you'll find vector mapping. Very easy. And then how I mixed them together, basically I did that for every texture I wanted to add, red, green, blue, and black. All I did was I mixed them together, and for the black, if you didn't know, all you do is you reverse the color. Very easy thing to do of the Splat Map. Everything is edited off the Splat Map. The only thing that you're doing is multiplying that texture by the white of that particular part of the color of the Splat Map. Very simple concept. Very easy thing to do. I'm not a genius. I just plugged in randomly until I got a end result that I liked. Just reminding the community of Splat Maps. Reminding their importance, their use. I could make a tutorial, but it would actually take me longer to sculpt it and paint it, etc., than to just tell you, paint a piece of texture and experiment with it. That's all I wanted to say. And if I click on this, I can actually edit it for you real quick to show you that it does work. And I can't use both my hands because one of my hands is using the map, but nonetheless, very simple, easy, cool idea.